hair tip with you guys really quick. You know, I noticed right now we're in October. We are, you know, cases are rising during the pandemic, and we might just head back into another lockdown. So what I wanted to share with you guys today was a quick little tip on how to make your hair look presentable if you're not a hairstylist for those Zoom meetings and those Zoom calls. So the other day, you know, I decided I wanted to switch up my hair. You know, I usually have a weave. I took my weave out and I have some growth and I am relaxed, and I wanted to have a ponytail. But of course, we all know that ponytails are annoying, really annoying, especially when you have to use all those pins. Also, I wanted something that was a little bit more textured so that I could do a braid or I can wear it out. And I knew that I would need to get something that was in more of a synthetic blend, because that tends to mimic our hair a little bit more unless you are getting a kinky relaxed texture. And most ponytails that come extra long come in a yaki or a Brazilian texture. I also wasn't trying to spend $100 per bundle for 30 inches. So long and behold, I found her. She is a wraparound ponytail that I found in the beauty supply store, and the texture is immaculate. So if you can see, it looks just like a weft, and it has these combs on it. And then it comes with a piece that's already pre-curled to wrap around. So today, well, before I get into what you'll need to do this to achieve this look, what you'll need to grab is some Got2b. I'm sorry, you know, I forgot to take off the sticker on that. What you need to grab is some Got2b hairspray. You'll also need a flat brush, which I have here, and you'll also need 2 hairpins, not bobby pins, but hairpins. Once again, I kept the tag for this, and it is Bossed Up Professional Hairstyles, and it's by Bobby Boss. And I got Kinky Perm Straight. They come in different styles and different textures, and I'm rocking with the 30 inches 1B today. It also, you know, for those who don't really know how to do this, it also comes with instructions. So this is awesome. So I went ahead and I prepped my hair. So I pulled my hair back into a ponytail, and all I used was setting wrapping lotion, pulled my hair back with 2 elastics, did the baby hairs, pulled out my sideburns, and I then sprayed my hair with this Got2b hairspray, and then I use a wrap strip. So if you're going to beauty supply store, I get the black wrap strips, and I wrap it around my hair, and I just let my hair air dry. I then take my ponytail. This is amazing. And I've been wearing it for about 4 days now. I then take my ponytail. You want to brush her out. You want to really brush her out. And then I take this piece right here and I secure her in. Okay, I secure her into my ponytail. And then I begin to wrap around. And then you want to wrap around, and you want to take that other comb that is attached on, and you want to secure it into that ponytail, okay? You want to continue to wrap, and it has Velcro. You want to continue to wrap around until you get to the end, and then you take this curly piece that is curled already for you, and you wrap her around your pony. Okay, you wrap, just wrap it around. Make sure it's, you know, Make sure you have some tension there. Wrap, wrap, and you continue to wrap. And then you want to take your hairpin and just secure the end of that wrap. So I use 2 just to secure it, make sure I'm good. And then you take your hairspray and you just want to spray around that piece that you wrapped around, just to make sure that there's no flyaways or anything like that. And then you take your brush and you brush her out. Okay, and now I have a 30-inch kinky ponytail that I can wear on Zoom meetings. I mean, for some people this might be a lot. Or if I wanted to just meet up with girlfriends, if I wanted a different look, you know, because I know the long braided ponytail is in right now, you could go ahead and just braid her down. And of course you would need to add a rubber band at the end, you know, just to secure her in place. I know this look is really popular right now. And sometimes you really don't need to go to a hairdresser to do something like this unless you are just not hair savvy at all. I think this is a really good buy. I think this is something really good to have just in your house, you know, when you want to give your hair a break, but you also want to have a hairstyle. Braid it down, braid it down, braid it all the way down. And for me, because I'm probably not gonna wear it braided, you just secure those ends, and now you have a braided ponytail. So it's kind of like you get 2 looks in one. Again, this is the Bobbi Boss Up hair ponytail, and I got it in kinky perm straight, and I think it's gonna be my look for a while. Thanks for joining. Once again, my name is Shade Melinda. Follow me on Instagram. If you love this video, subscribe. We have more videos coming for you. Like, give me a thumbs up, hit your girl in the comments. Let me know if you purchased.